In this video, we will see how to access Classroom app and attend online classes. At the same time, the homework and content shared by the school. Go to the apps that got installed through the process shared by the school. Now open the Classroom app. Click on Get Started. Select the email ID of the student which is given by the school. Now you can see all the classes that are being joined by the teacher. You can see grade 9 science, grade 9 maths and grade 9 physical science, biology and science. Right, now we should make sure that you click on join of each and every class that you see on your dashboard. Go back to the classes to join other classes. Yes, now this account is successfully added to all the classes that are being given. Now let us select any one class, grade 9 physical science. You can see all the homework that is being shared by the teacher. There are 3 tabs: stream, classwork and people. Classwork will give you all the contents of that particular grade and subject. People will give you the details of the teachers and the classmates. Now, in order to join the class, select the video icon that is on the top right corner. This one, to join meeting. It will open the Google Meet app. Continue. Allow. Allow. Oops, it says fail to join meeting. Don't worry. This happens when the teacher is not online. This is to ensure that students will not get into the video call without teacher being online. So please follow the schedule given by the school. Whichever the period is there, during that time the teacher will be available online. By clicking this video icon, student will be able to join the class. During the other times, this video link will be inactive. Now let us see how to access the contents or the homework given by the teacher. So this is a YouTube video which is being shared by the teacher. It will directly open up in a so this will open the video YouTube and they will be able to access the video. Now student can keep a class comment saying anything he did not understand. So this will help the peer learning to happen inside the classroom. Now let us see homework given. So this will open the Chrome app. Accept and continue. Make sure you are selecting the right content. And remember, this is a one-time thing. Once the signing is done, you will not be asked once again. So student can submit their work by adding attachments from their files. If the attachment is in your personal memory storage, make sure you are clicking on the switch to personal profile. So then you will be able to see all the images or all the contents which are in your mobile. So this way student can attach any image, PDF, PPT, whichever is a format of the homework is, and can submit it to the teacher. Will be submitted for this. Yes, now teacher can see the homework submitted by that particular student. At the same time, student can write a private comment to the teacher which will be accessed by only the teacher. So these comments will be seen by only the teacher. This way student can respond back to the homework or the content that is being given to the students. All the best for the Google for Education classes.